Hello YouTube friends, today I made a beautiful collection of iron sculptures for you, who want a simple but elegant decoration. When talking about metal, most of the time people think of industrial environments. However, iron sculptures are widely used as a decorative element and bring a more creative and sophisticated atmosphere to your home. Lighting is one of the classic alternatives for the use of iron in the decoration, with the traditional iron lamps being one of the favorite and exquisite items. In the external area, it is possible to compose beautiful gardens and balconies, with these supports for plant pots, in addition to making the space more elegant and very functional. If you don't want to make mistakes when decorating, check out all our cool tips and ideas by subscribing to our channel, and don't forget to share with friends. See you in the next video. Bye.